They're gonna fix up the old Hyundai today. Needs door handles. Needs a middle console. Needs a switch. Needs his inside handles. All right, this is row 304. It's supposed to be here. Little 06 Sonata. All right, this is it right here. It's supposed to be blue, but I guess you could call it blue. Son already jumped on it. And my son just said there's one on 327. I think he's just trying to get me away from him. That's a pretty good walk. This is row 311. 12. 13. Kind of hard to drive this car with the steering wheel right there. I guess you got to back up all the time. I can put you in this car for $22.95. Needs a few minor adjustments. $22.95. Even comes with a power drink. I guess this thing is blue, but there's obviously a problem with these door handles on the Sonatas. Almost every one of them are missing. Yep, well, not almost every one of them, all of them. It's a nice convertible right here. Homemade, you know. Nice. Needs a little bit of work, not too much. Crawfish King. I'm just still taking orders. All right, that was about a quarter of a mile walk. Let's see how my boy's doing over here.
Is it a door?
It's a switch.
Hey, yeah, switch. I'm just trying to get off right now.
But how does that one feel in the auto? Does it feel weird, like it loose like the other one did?
This is how it felt before it broke on the other one.
Oh, that's how this one did too. Look. Press it. See it?
This one feels better.
This one right here?
Yeah, feel it. Because I think that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to go up, get stuck up.
Yeah, no, but it doesn't get stuck. That one just, let me see. Let me see. It still don't feel right to me, but whatever.
Well, there might be like a spring in there.
Yeah. What about a flamingo, Cole? You want a flamingo? Do you?
I'm gonna strip this. Yeah.
You just gotta put your weight on it, man.
I don't have as much weight to put on as you.
I know. You getting it?
Yeah.
How you doing over there?
I'm good.
You getting it? You got it yet? So we need a console, need this mirror, which I don't know if this mirror is gonna work, Cole. It looks like it's damaged a little bit.
Might have to try a different one.
Might have to go and look for a different one. We got these door handles. Taking the door handle off right here.
Oh, no.
I just was at that one. 09 Sonata?
Yeah, 314.
I think I've been there already.
You didn't get near one, you're looking for whatever.
But I took the door handle off that I needed.
I need the inside.
Anybody like Mazda Miatas? I think this one might need a new Tom and Chain cover. It's hard to believe that someone would need a dashboard out of an 01 Xterra. Like, let's go to the junkyard and take the dashboard out of it. Got it? Unfortunately, I have to go to the bathroom, so I'm going to say goodbye and please subscribe. This is the bathroom I have to use. I hope I make it. Have a good day.